Hi, Jeff Simon here for Sun and Fun 2024, and more accurately, the Eclipse Day, the day before Sun and Fun actually opens. We're here at the debut party for the Piper M700 FURY. And when you take a look at this aircraft, it is absolutely stunning. An evolution of the PA-46 design from the Malibu Mirage, the M series of 350, 500, 600, but this one now has 700 shaft horsepower and actually breaks the 300 knot limit. It is absolutely an amazing aircraft, and we're here at this event celebrating its debut. They had a bunch of owners that are here and taking delivery shortly of their aircraft, and as you can see, I'll take you around, show you the inside, which is just as spectacular. Follow along. Piper's wing, as always, is incredibly long for that high altitude work that it does. And then the paint job you'll see on this is really quite nice. And where it really shines is inside the cabin. I'll have you take a look inside the cabin. Absolutely stunning cabin. Garmin G3000 cockpit, auto land capabilities. Really spectacular. So that's it, just a sneak peek for the day before Sun and Fun starts. I'm Jeff Simon for SocialFlight. Blue skies.